What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. It's Techman once again. In this tutorial, we will explain how to add subtitles automatically in Adobe Premiere Pro. Subtitle enhance accessibility and can help convey your message more clearly. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational videos, or film, this guide will walk you through the steps to add subtitles easily. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video. To do that, go to the media browser, locate your video file, and drag it into the project panel. As you can see, I have mine already imported. Select your sequence in the timeline where you want to add subtitles. Go to the window in the top menu, select Workspaces, and then over here, select Captions and Graphics. Over here, select the Stacks panel just beside the Effect Controls panel. On these options, we will just select Transcribe Sequence over here. On the prompt, select the language you prefer. In my case, let's use the default one, which is English. And then on Audio track, let's select Audio 1, or depending on your clip if you have multiple audio. Once done, click on Transcribe below. Wait for Adobe to transcribe this for you. Once downloading, you can see the script or text from your clip's audio. You can always edit this one to have 100% accuracy, and there you have it. By following the steps, you can automatically generate subtitles, edit them for accuracy, customize your appearance, and export your video seamlessly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.